Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can finish a rumor quest in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update Part 2. Okay, this is the quest detail guys. You need to catch fish in the new laboratory area at Kohana and speak with Bill to hear the rumor. So if you want to start this quest, you need to go to the Kohana Island and then you can talk to Bill and Pale to start the quest. And after you get the quest, you need to go to the laboratory and catch fish there. And I'm going to show you guys the laboratory location. Okay, you can go to this area and the laboratory is right there. Wait, you can use this ladder to go to the laboratory. Okay, this way. And we're almost there, guys. Okay. That's the laboratory. And you will meet an NPC there. You will meet scientist NPC. Also this one. You can also take quests from this scientist Jameson. And this scientist give you a quest as well. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the fishing spot. Okay, the fishing spot is here, guys. You can cast your rod. You just need to do fishing here. Oops, sorry. Okay. And after you catch a fish here, you can go back to the Bill and Pail to complete the quest. Okay, I'm going to speak with Bill and we'll get our reward. Okay, done guys. I've already completed the rumor quest. Okay, and that's all the way to complete the rumor request from Bill and Pale at the Kohana Island and Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!